What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and people. I'm gonna run through the intro, I leave I go tell you now when I'm gonna share and I go see it on the title and the thumbnail. You see me, so make we jump right in and with people quick and fast and I leave I talk too much in another one.
Yeah man, we drive where you got Obia man. At the same man and make it over you know. Yeah? Me say me happy for Jakes, me happy for Jakes. You know we're gonna kill Rosealee. I wonder if I have it. Lord help me Jesus. I've wasted it, so help me Jesus. My soul is in your hands. Now come on, Switzerland. You're so good like.
Okay guys, today we're having some suya.
With your body man.
Yeah. And
then extra lesson.
See college.
You're supposed to can do extra lesson.
Extra lesson at Christmas?
No,
you're too extra dirty, James.
Extra lesson them do a week.
Oh, alright.
Understand? So they pay them extra lesson.
Alright, sorry.
Some day with lunch,
breakfast
spending money. Extra lesson. Because the rest of the week and spending money.
Yeah.
Jakes is a good father. I must have Jesus. Sweetness so cause you're hypocrite. You're hypocrite. That's what you want to tell me say me cute. Come again, Rosealee, we're not done with it yet. My love. Yes, my love. Yeah, man, me I come to me I look for my enemy. Cause only me a nurse or alone can do this, you know. But big crutches nurse or me can't find out, you know, so I must think to that hypocrite, you know. Yes, people, hold on there. Give me 2 seconds now, no 2 ups, man, in my business.
That's it.
Hey! Lord, my mangina! Hey, Batty and no back! Shanti and Barbz, soon as stepmother here, Curvy! Curvy without the diva! Jakes, let's go over that!
But you must share the bomb more quick, like. I think I can't say that. Enough is enough. I'm out. Jakes are showing up. Give all space. See that, Chad? See that, Chad?
Show your outfit. Show your outfit, James. Who's that boy? Jakes. Who's that boy? Jakes. Clean to your step. Clean like your bird paper. Who's that boy? Jakes. He's that boy. Jakes. Yes, my love. Lord Jesus. Clean without filter. Clean without filter. It's an effortless win. Batty and no back. Jakes all grab up that. Rosealee, you flop. Why? Lord, I'll wait in amazement. crib for a babe. Oh, little Lord Jesus, lay down his sweet head. Oh, yes. Lord, me just feel like for just sing that song. I don't know how to drop it, but I just feel it too. When one gone, many doors open. Mighty God of Daniel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I feel your pain and I hear you cry. You need a deliverance like the children of Israel. Egypt have you. Yeah man, and this you come crash out over. See that you can't do it better than Jakes. You pose with man, Jakes pose with woman. Yeah. Beat that, your altar eat out your cocky and swing cause nobody know why you. Drop your dildo and pick up the pimento seed, which is rat shit. Shove it up in you. And this so you there. Yeah. Your little hole coming like Azan, a pay plastic it a ish, a thermocol. Yes, my love. Yeah, pose with man. Shit. No man put on the map. Jesus have mercy, me tell you that we go. Can put on the map. You know some bad mind, man. The whole of the bad mind. The whole of the bad mind up on the app. Yeah. Somebody said Akima Jake's blessing. Of course. Akima Jake's blessing and Rosalie curse. You never know that? Me say Jakes have the internet weak. Me rather sit down and watch Jakes over and over than look on Akim.
People, me can guarantee you say come later on, Rosalie have to crash out. Watch and see the crash out. Because Jakes go show a woman, Rosalie go find everything for hold on. We don't wait till look more when him come on.
And Rosalie wear teeth. No, for sure. But they tell me, say Jakes, you see everything when I talk about my life, on the door remember. When the whole of did a chastise the man. When all of did a chastise the man, I say, he's the only one with the children. And him wash, cook and clean. He know if take blood out of clothes. You understand me? And I said, give the man a chance. I said, send every money to Jakes. Do not send it to Rosalie. Send every money to Jakes. Me I beg you, please. Remember? Remember? Exactly. Thank you, my baby. And when I come take over the app, I did say it. Now everybody can say, when you send the money for you to Rosalie and the people them it's still hungry and abandoned. True or false? Remember say Rosalie alone take the people them money and pay for cabana. Me don't understand how on a female sit down and be so wicked, envious and bad mind towards the body one all suffer. How can you yearn for something but yet still bad minded? I don't understand. The world really shake up. The devil is at work because him blind way. I beg all Jakes to stay far from the dirty people in the app. Stay far, stay wide from the dirty people in Rosalie is a wicked, dirty, bad mind girl. She a showcase she and some gunman, but yet her heart and eat out and her mind respond Jakes. Jakes are gonna be Rosalie's cancer. You think a cigarette? Una up for a rude awakening. Una think a cigarette? I don't mind telling you say a cigarette. Yeah? Up for a rude awakening. Now ask you know. Not asking. My water cleaning in a pan. Yeah. Now ask always wicked to the individual. But Jake's work list, so is Rosalie. The map again in Kakafa. You're very wicked. Ivan, you come back. Thank you. Thank you very much. Fatty. Yeah. No, she's very wicked. Fear is fear. Let me tell you the truth. You think me don't know how me speak? No, ladies and gentlemen, you think me don't know how me speak? You think when me talk about eyes, me don't know how me speak about eyes? It has nothing to do with eyes. Eyes is a prop in my argument. And I will not apologize for what I said about eyes because of Ivany. Ivany must be corrected in whatever language that she understands. Correction not come with ease, not come with pain. You get what I say? And if only can sit down and see man and support Rosalie in the abandonment of her children, which is some gunman me talking, then only have eyes father now I eat him. Only now help these females on the app. Only now help them only celebrate their nastiness, their negligence, and all of the abuse that them give kids. Only celebrate them. Only jump for joy and rock with victory. Mystic journey. Them jump with joy and rock with victory for dirty mama. And then when you do speak, they are the ones who have a problem with what you say because you must laud them like everybody else. You know, you must laud them like everyone else. When you hear Shanta say to Rosalie, you're your man yard, you know what a female in there coming in that and the video say, but my son asked me that too. But one text has to be, I think when you text it in I leave the message, you know. Me the one say because you are your son a share man. You and your son a share man. You and your son a sell crutches people. The justification that they give for certain behavior on the app, it's astounding. And they want it to become the new norm. Now, you see, look on a big old stinking orange girl like me. Look on me with a saltfish head and a mermaid body. Look on a big stinking rotten old careless girl like me now, people. You think me could have stamped in front of my mother and they thought, wow, to all nobody and she there right here, you're mad? The level of respect that I give to my mother when it comes to my attitude and behavior. My mother has never sit and watch my live performance yet from the time me at the theater. You never know that? My mother has never sat and watched me doing a live performance for the life me in a theater. I do theater. You understand me? Any old she watch me is on the CD and the YouTube and the TV. She cannot because I make it my point of duty. My career is not to celebrate my mother. My career is to celebrate me. You understand me? My mother can happy for me, but me not behave a particular way in front of my mother. Whether me I make money from it, I may not make money from it. It is not my duty to let down my discipline that me give my mother. You never know that? That is why I don't curse bad words. Remember when Jesus are coming at the wall of a bunny mountain and they said give the man a chance. Because in all fairness, I don't feel like Jakes because of Rosalie. But at the end of the day, at him and the picnic them, it was never Rosalie. So Rosalie talks up over there. Rosalie, don't call me! Don't call me! Do not call me! Oh. Yeah. So Rosalie said something the other day. Rosalie said, if me I bring in the money, you can't wash, you can't cook, you can't clean. What is it you're going to do? But yet still Rosalie did come say Jake's work and him hustle and give her fair money. Daytime, week time, fortnightly, monthly, yearly, annually, centrally, decade alley. I don't know the alley them, I don't know the rest of alley them. I don't know them. Any more alley out there? Valley? Valley can't go for alley. You understand me? She come back and say that, you know. So our argument just coming like Chinese food, tie and dye, special fried rice, alley money. You understand me? So if Jates never work yet, then how you come and talk saying here? Then why should he not work and wash, cook and clean and you are still not bringing in money? I don't understand, Rosalie. Your life complicated like the back where Akeem sit on pan. Yeah, your life complicated. It's just complicated. Yeah, folly. No man not pack me up, you know. No, you understand me? Sorry, it's a sofa. Yeah. Now, you see how we can sling and some? I make Rosalie manipulate. Oh no, because she can't manipulate me, because I'm not into she. Let us talk about how the whole I want to get tricked by Rosalie on a daily and on the door realize it. I'm going to point it out to them Sex in the City. Nobody knows Rosalie like Jakes. Through or falls, you better say through. You better say through. Through or falls. Through or falls, you better say through. I don't see the through coming through. Me no want no through. They pick me on this one, They pick me on this one. That's why I can't graduate now and move to a next class, you know. I want to still over TJ and Maya, but I can't. I can't. Because TJ and Maya work in the Ministry of Education. I can't send over TJ and Maya.
People, let me tell you something. Rosalie nah stop crash out over Jakes, yeah? You check say Rosalie did one left Jakes and Jakes move on, start make money, find a woman. Me tell you say it's either 2 ways to go with Jakes, you know. It's either him a go sorry, say him left, you know. Or him a go just get big. You know what I mean? And a woman a go take him up. And see it? Him get big and a woman take him up. You understand me? Let me know what you think.
Honestly, I want a time for not going to another class and I cannot move. Only follow instruction. None of them pick me no follow instruction. And when them root where you carry them not have no apology. Them not have no name apology again. Yeah. Only me! True or false? True, right. Right, only no man only be you want go over my auntie. I see you working. I see you working for go over my auntie TJ. I go talk to them about you. Yeah, too cute, too sweet. Too cute, too sweet. You think you're hard to beat? You think you're hard to beat? Yeah. So come here with the people back to the matter and go before them distract we. Cause you know them are distractions. Them are distractions, you know. That's why we don't make people distractions, me. Anyways, moving right along. TJ too slow, allow him. Leave the boy. You know, people, nobody knows Rosalie. Look good, man. Nobody knows Rosalie like Jakes. Rosalie, community believer 50, 100. Go suck your mother, Rosalie. Go suck out your mother. I say you want a piece of broadboard across your face. Go suck out your mother, go name out your mother. Not you, not even Laverne. Laverne, you know, so I'm tell Rosalie about her mother, I don't want you to feel bad, Laverne. Because Laverne really and truly, nobody not, you know. I don't want you to feel bad, but you see sometimes suck your mother is an expression for Rosalie feel bad. You know, Laverne, sometimes I know you may tell her about, you know. You know, son, you may tell her about what you may tell her about. If you understand what I mean, it's an uneducated term. But me I beg you, see it out for me. You know? Yeah, no, you mean I'm back. You understand me? No. You remember when time Rosalie leave and go on her vacation and Jakes move out of the house? And what did Jakes do? And the whole everybody jump up. Jakes are enemy. Jakes are house enemy. Jakes are this. Jakes video the girl privacy. Jakes video the whole of this. Jakes and everybody crucify Father Jakes. I come from my program. I'm a step on my program. I say, thank you, Jakes, for exposing it in Rosalee's liberty. Remember Jakes' video down to the rat shit and get a dildo blow job. Am I lying, class? Jakes' video down to the rat shit and suck off the dildo. Through our falls. Okay, thank you, too cute. Too cute, too sweet, you're the pamper, man. You get me? Jakes video it. When Jakes are going Sister Winnie, Jakes say, people, oh, this is our passport. See me, I throw it down in the car there, in the drawer there. Don't, and then throw it down in the drawer. Rosealee must be too busy. I try to suck and some gunman order. You know what happened? Rosealee come. She not looking at I'm a passport in down with. I'm a passport. And when she book it up, here and oh, through her files. Yeah, telling the old woman. That's why you see women will always get abused from men, especially good females, because of these germs bag. Only will always be abused. Come here again. Let me know. Yeah, come here again. What happened? Rosealee took to the internet and asked the Jakes gone and abandoned him picking their belly. Jakes gone and abandoned his kid's belly. Tell you the old woman stay now. And when them done, them say man a tear down woman. Abandoned him picking their belly. And me know. No fan no jump up. Jakes are wicked. Jakes this. Jakes that. Especially she. For prime example. Especially she. Jakes a dog. Jakes a dog shit. And Rosealee start class. That bitch. I'm not giving for them is a bitch. You see Father Jakes gingerly he posted the video of him counting out money and give madam. 1, 2, 3, dinner money, spending money, car money, catch man money, celebrity money, this a money, peer money. For when the people them grow up and get big. Jakes all put on them college phone. I mean I think Jakes run half, you know. And Jakes will leave all college phone. Hey, kakafat. You understand me? And after she done, she have her fill. After she have her full. After she have her up to capacity, Jakes post the video. We wanna suck cocky girl after say no. We wanna suck old girl after say. When Rosealee are going, you see Rosealee count out and video and leave?
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. We can watch some more.
Okay. Cause she not going long, Jake's supposed to look at him. This is how wicked not for one female is to man, to good men. This is how wicked not for one be to good man. Mr. Jakes make Rosealee cuss, then go on, she kill her dead, she have content. And Jakes just post the video. Don't turn a like on the man. Rosealee, let me tell you what hurt you. You see all of Jakes' ambition where you bury, him go and him exhume it. You know what exhume mean? You know what exhume mean? Rosealee? It means unearth. Unearth. You know what unearth mean? To dig up. Yeah? So I that beat you. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I thank. No, we have some great people on this. And the next person. Thank you. Yeah. And that the problem. And that kill them ayat. And that beat you bad. When you make man use on, thank you my baby. When you make man use on, abuse on, refuse on, and set on our side. You can't hold long Jakes. Rosealee, you are an abuser. Jakes are hypocrite. You know, say Jakes is a dog when you look at it. And she right. Jakes is a germs. She right. Jakes a drunk crow. You mean to say for 12 years you did with the girl I know says not that shape you want, Jakes, and you really tricked the child for years, Jakes. For years. Jakes, you mean to say for years you sat with Rosealee, you know say you want batty and no back, and you really make the girl pump up the back, pump it up while you beat and pump it. You know say make the girl disco with her back. And you know it's not that you want. Jakes, so where you find the lampshade, you know? Jakes, if you didn't know, say you want hourglass, why did you buy clock and watch? And you know it's an hourglass, you did a look. Why did you go to your wear? For 12 years you have a big clock. I see the clock up on the wall, but it don't bother me at all. Love me, baby. Why? Mistake. A week out, no me love. You know, so the living work here. Me not tell no like the best thing. Yes. No. Him can feel a real body now. Real body. Can you imagine how Jakes Ogala meet him back? And when Jakes done him biceps and triceps not stretch out. Rosealee said she never Jakes for years and she don't kiss Jakes. Rosealee, believe you me, you could have never tell me that say you don't kiss him. Any kissing not going in the sex at Jakes' choice. Remember you walk and bed kiss, true or false? Remember every time you put food in your mouth and beg Akeem. True or false? Rosealee, you could have never tricked me. Remember I get me jump over gutter water for going in my yard. Me jump over gutter water for going in my yard. Me sit down on Gully Bridge and reason till hours. You can't trick me with get a life. And you not get no kiss. And you not get no kiss. And me rush you and cuss you for you clean your teeth one time in a life. Me not ask you, Rosealee, not free you clean it. Free. Oh. Me not ask you, me know my handiwork when me see them. Me know my handiwork when me see it. If Jakes ever bust it by you say, I true Jakes don't want to look like a fussy. You have forced Jakes for Jakes. Until that flame, Rosealee is forcing Jakes and for Jakes this her as a baby father. But it's not disrespecting her. It would have called tell the truth and people that say Jakes chat too much and look at the things that Rosealee do for him. That's why Jakes hold him on. I don't blame Jakes. Jakes make sure video every situation because he know Rosealee work on the audience to hate him, to hate the man. Yeah. But you there with Jakes for years and you never kiss him. And from Jakes come on the app, nobody never tell Jakes him tongue dirty and him teeth them brown. Nobody never tell Jakes say him tongue dirty and him teeth them brown. Nobody never tell him that. The people them just can't believe say is a man like this scale is for 12 years. White girl saying for Jakes. See that? Jakes get a black thing. Yeah. From the comp on the app me I send Jakes. From Jakes comp on the app me I beg people do. Give Jakes a blind. Rosealee, you have to eat me. You have to eat me, Rosealee. Remember, African alone say Team Jakes. Remember, African the program you alone say Team Jakes. Me nah ask you, that program you alone say Team Jakes, babe. Me know you hate us. You hate us, but you can't break us. Yeah. Me coming on my other page at 1 p.m. Who this? Team Jakes. Me not even reach more than saying. Yeah, ask Martin. Shani! 1 p.m. Shani, you smell like arm and thinking too. Yeah. Anna me come to. Anna me come to. Oh, alright. Yeah, me say you wicked and bad like. Me say me a class in my mind, you know. And I slip, no man, I slip me from last night for tell. No man. Remember say today and Friday I would get breeze, you know. And I can't afford to the veranda feel gravelly. No, you're right. Oh, don't be there, back. He does. I never seen him. We get so accustomed to. Yes. Yeah, man, me not tell no lie. I'm happy for Jakes. Me happy for Jakes, because I know what all long is like. Me know what bad mind to an individual is like. I have to be careful.
Alright, my people, make you watch some more and then move on to the next.
David, man or woman, you have to be careful on David. Some people, them come to mash you up in a life. Your greatest enemies most of the time are your loved ones. Me now ask other people. I am not, let me tell you the truth about me. I am not a family person. I am not a family person. You know, everybody like the talk for say, me love my family, me not telling a lie. I am not a family person. You said my family, one of my family shed me, cut you off the life. I can live without you. Because you never come between me and my salvation. The Bible says, if it's possible, the operative word in the statement is if. If it's possible, live at peace with all men. Sometimes your peace is to be separated from each other. Me not ask you no question. Yeah? You can't deal with an individual. You see? I don't know, maybe me a handicap, you know, but I pray that me a handicap in the Holy Spirit. You see, for me and you can't there, and we're not growing. Me and you can't there, and you grow leave me. Me and you can't there, and me a grow leave you. We have to grow together. No, Nisha, it's true. We have to grow together. And all of them, Nisha, no for them so cocky girl yeah. Sit up on the app and I miss the message in the mess. You understand me? Them I miss the message in the mess. They are picking sides. There is no side to pick. The fact of the matter is, when you try to hold on an individual, you can do it for years. One day, down a gully, see brother Nancy skinning body, you know what you do with it. Yeah. When we talk about my program, people say, me I chat shit. People say, me I chat this. So, Shani, you know, people say me I chat all sort of something. But them a prove the point right. Them a prove my point. You hold on the man to the point where you not even can say, Jakes at an IP, me not like me glad feel him, I hope 1 year with the back. Lord Jesus, me not want back Jakes. You know, sometimes separation best say everybody, we there for so long and no more. We can't go no more. You're not happy. Are you come up and keep your mouth shut? You not do your thing, make the man do his thing. But it hurt you. Sister Winnie, it hurt Rosalie to the point she want to break it. And when me tell her, say that lady want the internet for herself, she envy down to her man, her baby. She envy. She envy down to Jakes. They not happy for Jakes. You will make money, Jakes I make money. You will do your thing, Jakes I do the thing. You pick them should have happy and a bounce on and CD I apologize to. Know that the two want to make money sitting down. And one thing me know, you know, Rosalie has saved money for buy house. And that's for house buy my baby. House are one thing when not drop value. And that's for house buy. Rosalie must have prayed that somebody did out a sea view and she buy 1 yard. 1 yard of sea view. Pay 300,000. But you know, so run on the back of the pit there, you have to drive it every day. And that's how house money go. And that's how it go. Yeah. JJ, and that's how it go. Tell them. And that's how it go. So we don't talk about Rosalie still put it up for years and Rosalie this and Rosalie that. Rosalie have saved her money. Save what? Save what? You notice Jakes lose the little bit where him have and start build a foundation in their mama place. Okay. Yeah, when you have stinking Akim Kenata both say Rosalie 5 times better since him coming in her life. And she depend And see they take away your picking them. Tell them to them normalize every single thing where them feel like uno. Like because them have the careless to like them. Yeah. Them having the kids, our life is 5 times better. Our people them get taken away, disgrace come down upon her. And our relationship for 12 years where she throwing her all over face and hype and with. Talk truth forever young. Eh? Talk truth. Our relationship for 12 years, what about it? Since Akim come in our life, what about it? Akim say have no picnic. Akim say don't have any kids. So Akim wouldn't know how to be a father. Don't, because she said we have no picnic so we can't give her motherly advice. So Akim not have no picnic and then give she fatherly advice. You see how them stay? Yeah? Yeah? But you see, because they use money and buy the app. Because them use fame and buy the app. Remember, say if you get 5 lions on the street, you're number 1, you're famous for the app, you're rich. Remember, you know? Remember, if you play one match and win the match, you're rich, you're filthy rich. And that's how we narrow down with imagination too. Yeah? That's all. And that beat them. You never know. I want to talk to them careless, I mean them careless set of dirty people them. Careless, CDA take with Rosalie Penny and dog name eyes. Dog name ice and red hands. Hey. I don't know which one of the situation them to take serious. I don't know if I take Miss Jamaica dropping off the stage or red dance allowing police to take away any vehicle. I don't know which one of them I must take serious. I'm going to pray about it, you know. Yeah man, I'm going to pray about it. Yeah.
No text messages na phone say me run her down. You see it? She can't show a call log between me and her. So I don't tell me call me chat and I pussy in the bag. She can't. You see it? And that really has stressed me out. Because when I know say it has stressed she. So I stress for her and I mad for her and hurt for her. You see it? And me, you see me now? You look at my friend and say you're a bad dog. Like that. Fuck you, do. Let the girl go on and shag on. You got bad up over there, so. You see it? And that my friend them tell me, you know. Laura alone and you know? Jakes, you where Laura alone, Jakes and where. You make your friend them can't tell you the same bum buckler thing. You know? Low Jakes alone make him where and nothing. Low Jakes. Can't tell you that because you know. Them hurt. Your friend them vex. Bad. Your friend them very vex. Them vex, man. Is it Pash? Them hurt, man. Them hurt for you. And not really you, me gonna talk between them.
Hey, my people, one thing we have to say to Jake, say, mind how you are grown, Rosealee, because if Rosealee is this obia woman where everybody are saying walk up here and sitting, you will sprinkle look up powder your foot and mash it up, you know. So take care yourself, because at the end of the day, my people, when Rosealee first done with Jakes and run him out of her place, him never want to have nothing to do with Jakes. So me don't know all upon a sudden Jakes are come fix internet and all these things. Big technician Jakes avoid Rosealee. That's all me can tell you, because if you might bring it down up on the internet, why you wouldn't do?
My friend them, because I really them I come over here. I feel like them control when they're in no position to control nobody at all. You see your friend them, big man thing, your friend them not in a no position to control nobody over here. I know that, and me she actually make be her content. And she's been embarrassed. She's been embarrassed. No blood clap bad now, GX. What you say? What you say? Nobody don't want GX. And this and that, and me have to buy pussy, and him have to buy pussy, and him have to buy pussy, and him have to buy pussy. And the whole I know over there, the whole of the haters over there. Yeah. And the whole of it feel like a sheep bun, a honey bun. Me have to say. On a vex. Right now on a cut up. Yeah, dog, right now. If you no cut one of them, chat, if you never cut one of them, you no say no blood. Yeah, dog. Team doesn't nobody out there to play match with. Nobody at all. Nobody at all. Nobody at all know how to play match with. So we go on there and laugh off of them. We can't there go and laugh off of them. We must can go on there and laugh off of them.
Hello?
Hello? Specific, go and play too much or whatever.
Guys.
Yeah. So I go on there and we go and laugh and enjoy. Because we can't go there and come back and say you want them have we. No. We enjoy ourselves sometimes too. We go and laugh and go and enjoy ourselves sometimes too. You see? Yeah. Art means please. Art means please. Bring some art means. Because our regular people laugh and enjoy for themselves too. I don't need me and my people them go on all the vibes. You know? Thanks everybody put a at me. Everybody put a at me, thanks. Some of us again chat, the trollers them vex. You know? The little people them here run behind and come talk about one this and one that and whatever. Them vex. What time now? So in the next, what, 18 minutes go, yeah, the next 18. 9 o'clock, I'm going to end the live chat. I go have my breakfast, you know what I mean? Get some food in the system. Coral Queen, love and love alone. Forward back. Gosh, man, I do that, man. You know, sir, I eat food, you know. Eat food.
Alright, my people, so make watch some more things until Senseless come on, cause Senseless want to know how the woman with Jake show last night. Make watch some more.
Double. Shot on the double. On the double. Okay, we're gonna go some street dance later, you know. We're gonna go street dance, okay. Street party and in idea. We are go to them. And later in the night, the guy street party with me and I talk about. Double team. It's not really push the fire still. If me a lie. So team, please, come for the podium. Please. More go to Sulphur Spring, of course. Not go bring me around there. On the podium, please, chat. Before me log off, please. Now come back, yeah? But we can go up on the podium, please. Please, chat. Natalia, morning. Good morning, baby girl. Everybody, thanks. BJ, Shelly, Kami Cake. That you know.
Bentley, come. Boy, are you me just a chat boy? You're not, boy, you're not the know.
My name can't deny about there, you know.
And we have blood start, see that. I'm going to go in there. I that. What me going to go in there?
My name can't deny about there, sir.
We have so people on the app. As they just come here and find with woman and sitting.
After Team Vision, not careless.
What are we as you come on the app, you going to find us?
Eh?
What
Oh,
are
yeah,
we
look on the scene. I seen you watch. You see what I go on?
Yeah. Blood clot. So, who that me see as pat pani ass there? How's girl like this?
Which girl that time?
Me not see them say one life to me when they on life. I say 2.2. I say no more than that.
Oh, I'm my baby, my wife.
Oh, yeah, stop. Fabulous, yeah, you are going my side, port up. Your wife, make her right down there. Shen! Morning, make her right down there. I'm my wife, that Shen morning. Yes, man. Bumbo clot. Chat over here, so nice, you know. My side, port up, I say, brother. Questions, what are we? So why your mother after your baby mother, so? Why she crash out like that?
What?
Why your baby mother crash out like that, like in the...
I know, I can't answer that because I don't know about something. I don't know about people, you know.
Bumbo clot, me dear.
Remember, we are not together anymore, so I'm not going to know about that side. I'm not going to know.
But she a crash out and I say a bag of things.
Sorry?
She a crash out and I say a bag of things.
I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know. Truly, I don't know. Because we are not together anymore, you know, sir.
That's what I can see in my book. That so how expensive hotel today?
It's an Airbnb, sir. It's not really a hotel, does sir?
Sorry. I heard that you said they leave over $10,000 to your kids. Is that true? I heard
Sir,
you said...
I can't hear the phone because I'm low now. What you say?
I heard you said you leave over $10,000 for your kids. Is that true?
No, I'm more than 10. I'm almost 20 grand left, you know.
Bumbo class.
So about 20 or 25,000.
Rub out the figures, I tell them, tell me, no. Sorry about that. 20 or 25,000. I tell them, they tell me. But, anyways, hear me out.
On the double.
So you're planning to come back, sir?
Eh?
You're planning to come back?
Never come back from me out then.
Okay. So let me tell me, say you plan to run, but alright. He will return.
Alright, senseless. Lord. See, you get piece of clout there now. Mother, I mean. Your blood clot, yo.
No, I want
yeah,
to
cause we know.
you.
Team Vision, no, we don't know already Team Vision. We already know. You see it?
Well, you know,
I'm thinking of senseless. Me more straightforward than the rest of them, you know. So you have to understand that part there too.
Yeah,
you see it?
That me see. Moderator, don't mute a soul. Make them talk. Make them talk. Don't mute a soul. Cause I'm for the boss. Make them talk. Yeah, cause you say, yeah, block me there. So why you have to excited with the enemy then?
Come we go play a couple match, man. Because when I go, you know, me different. I like them, they go around and go on and behave them kind of way. I have seen Glamour, big up,
Why just take over?
Natalia, Shelly, Nadine, Barbie, Lisa, Cora, real as they come. Big up, everybody at the screen. All my tappers, them love and love alone.
They left me blood clot, they all left me.
Eh?
Some of them think I can't kiss them, and then I can't kiss them.
Yeah man, the next trip I bring them, yes.
So there is more coming up?
Of course.
Hey! Blood clot! I serious up that. I serious up that one. Not gonna hear that.
Eh?
Me I say I serious up that one and a palm push thing.
Oh, if you be, come on, bro. Oh, you have to be joking something. Maybe them want to fly it, you know.
So
I know the world too.
So you are responsible for them flight.
Then for me, I carry them, I have to respond to it.
Bumbo clot. You can't win, you know. My side, thank you. You run one more car, you're at right now.
Cash lifestyle, Natalia, Hyacinth.
Yeah,
everybody big up. Yeah, I need one of them. I'm going to buy a phone. I get a phone anyway. I buy one. I want to buy one. I need the next one.
Bumbo clot. That's why boss, I need the next one. I heard.
Man, think more for ask me now.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think and make you watch some more.
Chat. The man literally I think more for ask me.
No, I don't want to ask you nothing wrong, you know, bro. I don't want to ask you nothing wrong. So how you think she feel about this opportunity that you're flying out and you're not on the app for like 2 months good?
Or who feel about it?
The haters and...
Oh yeah, the haters them.
Yeah, how you think they feel?
Then the haters them vex.
Including
them
that, including that girl?
No man know about people, you know.
Oh, okay.
Me I talk about the haters them. The haters them vex, bad.
Them vex?
Yeah, that. If you cut them, it's not blood in them. Yeah, dog.
Interview active. Alright. So how was the flight?
Well, the flight to the island. Well, me not too like heights, you know. And one at time, the pilot that take too long for you to land the plane and all them sitting there, so we are prepared for the worst.
Alright. Good.
Me not prepared for the worst.
I have a really popular question. Not to intervene in your business, but that's our job as an interviewer to ask questions that get answered. Listen me out. So always the house is structuring that you are building for your kids.
The house is coming on well. It's not action too, because I left somebody I go and monitor me when I left on the vacation, so the work I go and do I'm over here, so.
Bumbo clot, your boss Dick. Say foreign on the cut. Bumbo clot, chat to the see man boss. Stop 13 years. Man, I stop interview. Bumbo clot, man. You know see man boss. The man take a vacation.
Yeah, idiot, you know.
You know see man boss. Man come for vacation chat and leave some boy for work, mix up cement and full of a black pocket and everything there. Alright. I have one of a question. So put any question in me not remember. I have one of a question. Alright. Next question. How long is this vacation? If you don't mind asking, if you don't mind exposing your business on the internet, fine.
Wait, sir?
How long is the vacation?
I want to meet me ask you, man.
Bumbo clot, it's a real business, man. And how you feel about this vacation, knowing that you're not on the app for a long while. You just come taking, playing, building house, doing a lot of stuff for
I know,
you.
a big man thing still enough. I know how me feel, how you feel enough. Yeah, I know. I know really how me feel, how you feel.
So you like the experience that you're having?
Yeah.
I just want to tell you, me and my fellow co-workers, we are happy for you. I don't know about the other rest, but I am happy for you. I'm glad to see you traveling and doing wonderful.
Thanks, sir. Thanks.
So yes, I love that. Next question, Saturday. Let me look good. I read the one now. So if you did know that TikTok could do all of this back then, would you start doing TikTok from earlier? Me not hear you.
But yeah, safe, my life.
You change over your life.
Alright, I thought the normality and the bring down and whatever. Wouldn't upon it at all.
Okay.
That's it.
Start my gifting get suspended.
So when I go say, if we didn't know this, when I come on the app.
Yeah.
More than if everything they never gone so on at all and you know,
Yeah.
wouldn't come over here.
Okay, alright.
But it's just show things up, man. Me have to eat to feed. Me have to eat to feed my baby then. You know them bird away. Go get the food, man. Bring the food and the more come feed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. Me have to be that bird there.
Okay.
After you take
And
the
that's
baby
very
there.
good. And that's very good as a father playing a very important role.
King saying that go just slap me now, him can just box me down.
No, him not into the thing, so him just not
straight
straight
from
on
the
the
argument.
argument.
Like nothing now go
So, him put the
happen.
thing so,
Like
rather
nothing
than...
now go on.
No,
Me can't bother. Him not pretend no check, no check, no go on and stuff. Me not take straight lightly.
This not
Me not take straight
can box
lightly.
you and then not get it back.
Me not take straight lightly. Me not take no threat lightly. Me not take no threat lightly. I that's why there for me. One time, you're trying to put your hand on me. I that's why there. You know go lightly. Anything or anything after that. For me. I left me have to suck and fuck somebody. Yeah, I eat that day. Cause me not take a boy box. No way, Jose. No
And
way.
you're deflecting.
Nobody not box, nobody I didn't take it like
Yeah,
everybody
And you're deflecting because everybody have them family, everybody have
I
people in their back and
they
their
not
corner
the
can do
family
everything. But nobody not talk about that.
No family,
You're straight from the argument right there because it's not that I asked you a while ago and it's not that you're talking about. You're deflect from the story.
Like I said, pan me hear him see already him having people there, ma. Me hear him see already.
And nobody never get a feeder for them.
Why me never say him have Mobile man them? Why me never say him have Vineyard Town man them?
Because everybody knows you're over the family.
Why me specify that?
Everybody
Why
knows
me specify that day? Why would I
can't do them some of the girls. You don't like them some of them. You can't do that. You can't do them.
Why would I specify? Me not give a fuck. Why would I specify a specific location? I don't give a fuck how nobody feel. Jayden now come blood clotting saying can come box down and I eat that. No nigga, I'm not fucking wrong. Never will. Him come start with blood clot me. You never know some got dangerous blood clot, girl. You know.
Where your phone there?
Right, I saw away.
I'm gonna call you.
No, they just real like say, wrong my blood clot. To him have Spain town man them a blood clot. Blah blah blah. And where there one time one a slime gift I must see that threaten him and that himself on the live. That himself on the live when they do that threaten him.
Yeah.
So me now me have to process that in my head. Me have to process that in my head.
But rather than
a boy now go box me down, Shay, and he no feel something. Me I tell her that day.
But listen, rather than
A boy now put him hand for me and he no feel something.
Let me tell you now, if me say to Fallon, if me over here talk and me and say, me I go box down Fallon and Fallon say, Shay, no matter true you have your rare, your gun peep. That's all like you set up my life. That's all like you set me up. Because that's why I ask if him say no, like him say nothing about no spin town and no security girl and a gunman. That's why I ask you. Me just say it, that him say, because I make sure I ask you know. Because if you say box down and you reach a gun and security, that's all like set up. Me not like that part there.
Fuck me, I like what I say.
If you never said that at this given moment, pint right, that's why I ask you.
Wait, him always I said that then him over there come promote.
But rather that he did not say no. Did he say to you?
No matter if he say no or not.
No, you can't do that. You can't. Yeah, but you cannot do that rather than because he said he's going to box
he cannot say he could put his hands on me because he's not my motherfucking father.
Rather than
yes, he said something.
Yes, but him never say I'm gonna make nobody shot you, and him never say I'm no bad man to make no good
comment section over here. I come run
rather than in comment section say it is not him say it.
Shay, I don't really give a fuck. I know what I'm capable of, cause I want him just say where they am watch him. The same day when he say I'm gonna batch me, and the same day when him a cuss, and the same day him a wanna slime gift to them, get in our argument. And that him a promote. So me I make him know now, with all of them the badness where you promote one night, you're now gonna put your hand on me, and life is just going to be fucking great. Okay? You're not gonna think so you can box me down, and you just skin off your teeth and do anything else like life is going to be great. Kiki just mad, like, Kiki mad.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Because most of the time when me see up and coming TikTok or when they on TikTok and you know what I mean, nothing really are going for them. When me see them in a drama, you know, people, we just feel like say them a try make a name for themselves and everything with them as a fake. Which way that my opinion still, you know what I mean? But let me know what you think. Make watch some more.
Me feel like say, if she's not mad, she's mentally going through like a depression and she don't know how to like handle it. I feel like
she just a come back for TikTok actually, you know. She's just coming back.
Yeah, some feel like she don't know of her approach is wrong. Me feel like she's schizophrenia type shit. So me, when she accused me, I say Kiki today no fear they go on and me just no answer. Cause for some reason in my heart me just don't feel like cuss her. Cause me just feel like she need prayer. Or she needs somebody to talk to. And then me no know. When she tell me say her mother dead when she young and her father dead when she young, my heart just goes on. Yeah, me can't. I when him a cuss me, my rather just gone. Cause Kiki's me just look at her like yo, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, them a cuss Kiki and me there chill. She say certain pointers when me say clock that, cause she says certain pointers like, oh, you know, no man, no whole heap of man can, you know, talk about my pussy and me say clock that, cause whenever me feel like she says something what me can relate to, clock that, whatever. So anyways, Kiki add me. One thing we box. You see, like if me up on screen with Diamond, me know say you and Diamond over there friend. I say Diamond, and tracks and add me. Me feel add him. And Diamond go say yeah or nay. Me go respect who me up on the line with you, do me? Later on,
yes, because remember one time me and Ziggy and jump off, you want to do the same thing too.
Yes. So me go respect whoever me up on line with. So I ask them, I say, yo, Mama Richard add me, Kiki add me. If you add him, she say don't add him. So I say, alright, I respect who me up on line with me. Now I go add her. So Kiki, you know, Kiki probably mad, like, you know, that girl, yeah, hypocrite. She feel with my friend, she not add me. So Kiki must add Jayden, and you know, he told them over there argue. Me never even did know, cause like I tell them, I black and delete Jayden, you know, I not look on him since last week, you know. So Fallon now, Fallon, my girl, Fallon say, rather die, Jayden over there a class here. So I say to Fallon say, don't pay him no mind, because me not fuck with him, me not chat to him. That's why him a blood clot. It a mad him. Cause you know one time you give somebody silent treatment,
Yeah,
It
man.
bothers them, you know, because me ignore him like he never was alive. So me ignore Jayden the whole time. Fallon start cussing, you know what I mean? Must say something about Fallon, and Fallon start cussing. And me I say, Fallon, don't answer that boy there. Don't answer him, leave him alone. I mean, I even said to say, me need the next 2 months, I'm a year on TikTok to be very quiet. Like, me not gonna argue with that boy there. The boy, Fallon said, the boy over there say, yo, Fallon say, yeah, him say, if you come to Jamaica, I'm gonna box you down. And take that as a threat. If I come to Jamaica, just know say I'm gonna do your things and take that as a threat. So now I say,
because ignore him.
yes, because I'm ignoring him. I mean, I tell Fallon, don't give, because this is how Jayden is. Him like when people cuss him to keep him up. Me know that, you know, to keep him relevant and keep him in the algorithm. You ever go on TikTok yet and you see who name trending? You see anybody where did they saw? It's because they trending. People are search for them. So him always want people for cuss. Or him always want some mix up that ink.
They making up a bill blood clad content. Them say them a content creator. Why not take them talentless broke pocket don't just build content?
So that's why. So him start cuss me and start trend. So me say this now. Me say, yo, Jayden can trend everybody about battery and box on anybody but not me. Cause him feel like say because him have Spain town man them. Cause that him say him have them. Him feel like him can't do anything to anybody. Shay now say me I set up Jayden live by saying that. I said I'm repeating what he said before. Then I said me say when him push badness at that him said them I say, oh, when him say go look for the screen recording. I'm not gonna run around and look for a screen recording when Jayden a push badness. I don't give a fuck. Me know what him said before.
Yeah. So
now everybody we a team big and all of the big woman them will look like say them want Jayden to suck them ass or them gal. I go chat about, oh, pick your casket, plan your funeral, you can't this Jayden, cause Jayden. But everybody how do I get this off my screen? Everybody all forgot about him just saying with a batch me last week and then tonight again, oh, him with a box me down, you know. Everybody forget about that. Oh, me I try set up in life, me a this, me a that. Oh, she make a talk, say she go stay with it, where she need to stay and me stay with me to say because Jayden is her friend, which in I'm fine with that. Because how me feel and chat, how me feel and I'm not take back my chat. Him
which
just
is right.
have him dirty boy them and him baga when you think him money pay for him can't come blood clot threaten me and live for me and feel like say it's all good and Gandhi. I know him want know people.
Alright. Spot on. Him going wrong because remember I know like you disrespect him or threaten him. So if the fact say yeah, ignore him. If the fact say yeah, ignore him. You should be upset just like one time me do my video and I bash most of them. And them ignore me too. Me not get up and behave like them. Like what's wrong with these people and attention. But Jayden wrong. Big woman thing him wrong.
Listen what me I say now.
Alright, my people, so I could hear what she say. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more.
The youth text Slime and say, me want chat to you. Slime said to the youth, say, pull up on my block, me dip on my block, pull up and forward dog. The youth go over there. The one of them go over there. Remember you know, it's not only Jayden friend, it's Slime friend them too. The one of them are friend because one of them go party together. Me don't know if you listen one video with Jayden page, when the one of them go do care package and Slime now one. Slime now buy no slippers. If you can't look, you can probably go up on the page, go look if you no see it. And them you there and Slime and all of them. In that video, the Slime look like him did scared of the youth them? No, because one of them are friend. Them are batty and bench. One of the youth little brother, when he am Dama, in par with Slime, him ever there Slime yard. So the one of them are come along, them know them one another. The youth text Slime and say, Slime, I want to chat to you. Slime to the youth say, pull up on my black dog, you know me there, rare, the youth pull up. Him, Jayden, the two of them, I think of the three of them, him and Jayden and one other one and the youth. Them go link Slime. Them a set to slime say, not Jayden. The youth a set to slime say, dog. Know what you do. Stay far from that cat there when you ride her there. She a mix you up. You know, she just a set up J life. Stay far from her. Anything what you tell her, no tell her them something there. Stop chat to the girl and tell her them thing there. Slime a go look pan the youth and say to him say, if you don't come for box me down, me not chat things with no man. That's what slime a say no. If you don't come for box me down, me not chat things with no man. Me don't want a man to chat to me because I think I come for box me down. Remember, you know, me up on the phone and you said, me say to you say, you know say, next time I want to talk to you, say, pull up on my black now me here, Rizzo. Me come. Him a go on and a beat up himself because him see pops in the house and the youth them dead with him. Here me go load up on the youth now. If you not come for box me down, me don't want to hear nothing. Me don't want a man to tell me nothing. Because if you don't come for box me down, me don't want to hear nothing. The youth said to him, say, slime, dog, a youth tell me, say, me put up on your black. Me not in a box down, me not in a violence with your dog. The whole of we are friend. I just talk me and talk to you. Because the youth say, I talk to slime, I tell slime, say, stop carrying news to ride or die. Because you come here and try to set up Jayden life. Remember, I know the youth not push no violence there. The youth just sit here say, stop do what you do, bro. Because we know see you are carrying news to ride or die. Hold on, I take you down 1 minute. You go push violence on the blood clot youth. And I go say if you not come for box me, when a man come chat to me car. If a man not come for box me, don't make no sense. So the youth said, dog, me not depend that. Him start to load up. Pops get out of hand, so you know the whole of them start to talk. The whole of them come now, them gungle up. So the youth said to Pops, say, Pops, me link slime and slime say, me fi come pull up on him and chat to him and me animal a reason. Pops step on. I want to tell you, me not know you. Me not touch me. So the youth said to them say, what the violence for? Me not come for no problem. I Pops them, when me am slime tell myself to pull up on him and talk to him and re. So what the violence? Pop me pan. Me not chat to me, me not love man. Not chat to me, me not know you. So the youth said, I'm staying on the street all heap of time, Pops, so I never try to talk to you, explain something to you. I saw the bag of drama start. The youth never touch slime, none at all. Slime not get no lick. So I see the one on the pan screen record the pan, Jayden and pussy and slime get back. No go so. The youth not touch him. The youth just jump in the car and them gone. It's three of them. Them gone left Pops and blood clot slime. Slime in there want go up in a Jayden face like him want war. So the youth them a say we not come for in no violence. Attack, we are reason. We are tell us if we stop carrying news to that girl there because she a get on in a problem. That's all the youth have said to them. The youth not go for push no violence. No violence, the youth not go there for push. Just the youth have said to them say, you slime stop carrying news to ride or die. That girl are gonna get you in a problem. Stay far from her. The youth not push no violence with you. We head upon yo if a man not come for box me down, no make no sense. No man chat to me. I think I come for box me down. The youth never come for that. The youth never come for none of that, none at all. I don't know violence business. So slime you up on the level say Jayden send man for box down and you and Pops did that talk about oh man come for give does the box. It's not funny bro. The youth never do that. You and Jayden a friend. You and the other two youth them a friend. Me not call you them name. And the three of them come for talk to you and tell us if you stop bring news. The little girl over so. Them a deal with you as a friend and you push violence, bro. And through Pops there with you start to load up yourself and go on and Pops come out. It's a scheme, pure nice. The youth attack to you and your reason now. You tell himself to come. Nobody not pull up on your slime and say, oh, me I come here, come. Nobody not. Are you? The youth say, I want to chat to you as a friend. Slime, remember say the youth to come here yard a while ago. Remember say a regular you send him out. Buy weed for you. Buy all pad for the girl them where you fucking there. The youth care go do things to you, the youth do all it want. The youth can't believe say you really do them something up on the live out. Cause the youth has say, Shay, my genuinely check for slime, but do whole heap of things for him. Because him a par with my brother. And slime, just because you see pops, you start to load up and go on. The youth never come in on a backstone. You and the youth brother literally sit down on the phone and talk that a demo. So all the youth will come back, sit down. You and him brother a friend. The whole of a friend, him just come for talk to you. And you start to push violence on him. And they start going at Jayden face and a go on like, what the fuck you do, slime? What you try to prove? And they go bring up some little bad mind talk. Oh, me now watch your 2 care cause when me a drop 5. Slime me a pussy dog. How that reaching on the topic? Me now watch your 2 care because when me a go drop 5. You eat Jayden. You eat Jayden. You eat Jayden, slime. You eat him. You don't like him. And slime, me know say you have up Jayden for certain things, but much as how you hate me, I always a beg for you same way. Even when this Amara say Jayden, me and Queenie say Jayden, we are beg you for help, slime. Put him, pay 3 months rent and put him up in a one place, make him can live. Dog, me beg for you, bro. When me hear say you lose your house, bro, me beg for you, dog. Me and Queenie up on the phone and I say Jayden, if I even pay 3 months rent for him, I make him try catch himself, dog. When I go set up the youth, dog, I kill him, no one kill him, bro. When I set up the youth, dog.
Alright, my people, so make we hear the lion man tell film side of the story.
Well, I can laugh you, but tell me.
You know the youth never come in no violence, bro. I don't have violence business. The youth come for reason with your dog.
Long time, baby. Me tell you no say.
Reason the youth come for reason with your dog. The youth not try violate your slime. I'ma sit down on the phone and I'ma beg for you. I'ma say slime. I'ma say Jayden, pay 3 months rent for slime so him can catch back himself, bro. I'll speak again, a dog. I kill no one kill the youth, dog. When I try to set up the youth life, bro. You will never confident and the pussy vibes. Are you go up in him face? Are you come like you want to fight him?
Sometimes.
You would never come for that slime. And you have everybody a screen record that talk about the youth send man for back sit down and you know never not like that, bro. You not a pussy, dog. Not a pussy, bro.
Jay and Shay, me why me
not a pussy, dog.
Yo, I'm tell you something.
Let me not try to set up the youth, dog.
Sir, I'm tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Jay, when me analyze your come on phone, Jay, and me say, me no friend, that's why me not have none. Me not have no friend. Shay is my only friend. Me tell you, Jayden, when me pre-slime, me say, slime cannot like you. You don't listen to me. You see, you, Shay, and Peter again. Listen to me when it come out to slime. Bomba clock, this can't happen. Jayden, just listen to me. Me older than the 3 uno. Me say to uno say, when me analyze slime for uno, slime cannot like you, Jayden. And that's a friend like friend. Slime bad mind here a long time I tell you youth. Slime have a piece of jealousy and bad mind. Certain things slime realize say, you already to do it. Him have up Shay because he must say, alright then, a Shay in a slide, in a Jayden ears, you know. Me Jayden a show out to me certain way. Tell Shay for a suck her mother. I am not do it and him have you for blood clot that.
No, but wait now. Jayden can't talk. When me hear say slime lose him house, me say to Jayden say me and Queenie say you can't pay 3 months rent for him. And see if him can catch himself. And that me say to him, dog. See Jayden the ready, that me say to you, bro.
Well,
beg you to help him.
Well on the shit. Nobody cry, man. Oh God. You see this I come from a mile away, bro. You see? You see this I come from a mile away, bro. Me tell you, if me didn't want to slime something, bro, me do slime something for a long time, bro. Tell me, I tell you. Yeah. If me, to the day, did want to slime nothing, bro, we could have been for a long time. You see? And any dog will come and slime us, members have them open the door. You see? And any dog will come to slime, to chat to slime, a dog will know and a dog will par with members saying, brother, the dog who want brother, live with slime, bro. You see me, I say, bro. So slime can't tell no lie, man. You see? Let me tell you something. Slime, listen, sir. Sure, you did it with me too. Watch out. Slime did it all long. Slime, I say, well done. He might get well done. He said, no, bro. You're not getting no well done, bro. You need to put in the work yourself, my father. You see it? Stop saying obia and yourself. You see, me sit down with slime and putus. Me stand up so. Slime them and putus them on the ground so. And me a chat to the dog. Bros, slime can't say me a pussy, bro. Me a only man will show slime real love, dog. I tell that, bro. Bro, me look out for slime, dog. Slime like cut off for 3 days. And slime would have dead if him tell me. It's when I find out a Peter Gay show me. You see it? And as Peter Gay show me, I say, Peter Gay, here on. See money there, put on the dark light. You see, put on the dark light, man. You see me, I say, put on the dark light. You see me, I say, slime can't say me a pussy, dog. You see it. Bro, me even have to explain myself, bro. Man, everybody see the rate and the love of me offer slime, bro. You see. So, slime can't say me about this, bro. Me never said no man for this slime, bro. If me did send no man for this slime, bro, me would have never did it. Why would I did it on spot in a scheme? That makes sense, bro. Cool, man, bro. Bro, me even have to explain myself in the dog. The love out there, the love of me show you in the dog. The love of me show you in the dog. The love of me show you in the bro. Me not for there, so I explain myself to you in the dog. Slam there on the dog them. Slam there on the dog them and I tell the dog them, but yo, me no want watch out. Me no want you can't sit jayden only per car, you know. Me I go drop 5 car, you know, in a one night, you know. You see, no matter things like my jayden have car, you know, that no means my thing not tough, you know, my thing tough, you know. What kind of thing them there you say to the dog?
Slime really said that. Me I say, oh, that dropping at the top.
Thing, bro, come on, bro. You make it look like say as some new man. Me bring in pan your fi box up your dog. Bro, I come as if you come talk to you, know, bro. Because me I say, watch out, because me I say, watch out, low out that girl, bro. That girl will get me in a problem. I don't know, your name I call, bro. My name I go call, bro. You see it? What up, bro? Yo, watch out, sir. Me leave a chat what me do for you, dog. Because I don't want this one like 7D. If you can chat.
No, talk where you do.
You see, you need to out of the love. You need to out of the love, me have to slime dog. You see, I tell me I tell you that. You see, because I want the dog, I'm telling you now. I want the dog fuck up, hold on. I want the dog fuck up Peter Gay PayPal in the bro. And I get Peter Gay be chatting and I disrespect Peter Gay in the bro. You see me, I say Peter Gay, yo, bro.
Nobody tell him, bro. Nobody tell him.
Watch out, I joke thing this. I tell you. This a joke thing this, bro.
But
this me I enough have them thing upon life, bro. You see me, I say, make me other people have it up, bro. Me I enough have them thing upon life, my dog. You see it? Me I enough have them thing upon life, my bro. You see me, I say, bro? Yeah, dog. No, say what the fuck me even come? What the fuck me even come? I try come live and I try explain myself, bro.
All of that. They flow it. Never make no sense.
Bro, if a man can't bring up, bro. If a man can't bring in a house with the woman and then pick me. I mean, I know, so if you go with Pitney or whatever, bro, you can't bring your own my woman with my bro, that's a low for sure, some real for that. You see. But You see all the dog are painted on the life make it talk about the dog come for box him up. Shit. Me smart on that shit. Me smart on that. Bro, stop going like bro. Come on no man, bro. Stop no man. Stop no dog. Maybe tell me say you're not gonna party with me the dog if you can't drop 2 buckle in a dog. Come on no man. Remember say when you have the muckers them around your yard, you know, bro. And me go around this for 2 in a dog. I'ma bring the girl around my yard, you know, bro. And then I bring back it around your yard. You tell the girl them say, yo, for you go over Jayden yard, don't come back over my yard. Remember that in a dog. So what you telling me, say, bro?
From your girl and Jayden yard, don't come back around my yard. And Jayden look for you and tell us, say, dog, me mock out that now wife it up. And when him look him see ya kiss up and ya suck out tongue and ya go on.
And you see the dog when I say I talk about go box him up. Bro. Say you all the way I want, bro. We power go everywhere, bro. And nobody knew. We power go everywhere, bro. You see it, I'm a dog, a female dog too.
The youth brother literally par with. I don't know if you never hear, but the youth was slime called when him Damo. The youth brother literally par with slime.
Bro, the youth brother literally with slime, bro.
The whole of them are friend, and you tell the youth for come link you. And you open me the door and come out to the youth. So all young pops come pan like I said Jason man for back. And the whole of our friend dog. And you push badness to the youth, I gotta tell you about if you not come here for box me down, I don't want a man to chat to me.
Bro, it's like, let me tell you when he did want to try and it never work out shit. Him did want the youth for boxing, then him say, Jayden send you to box up him own a friend. Some did want, he want me look like a pussy dog. When I made the realest thing for you, bro. Bro, me see that man up.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. Make we move on to the next.
Bro, me see that man up, me see that man there nigger, you know, me and a dog there nigger, you know. And put us this man, you know, and the man a ball pan the phone in a dog. The man a ball pan the phone in a bro. How the fuck may I explain myself? How may I explain myself?
The kids them come back and she no show no type of love. Say the kids them come back. She and Akim vex what day and as soon as she and Akim talk back, tell me if I blind, me blind. I want picture this behind her with she and Akim. I want picture this, me turn. I want picture this with Rosealee and Akim run at the back. In a car. And you could put up Shantu and baby with up run at your back and Drake put up film pitting them every day for green screen. This is the true definition of a woman love blood clot man more than a pitney them. You can't argue with no girl about pitney and love man. All you see me and Kiki, I say it's the internet, all I would troll the internet. People do what them do for money, me skin out, me troll Kiki, troll Drake's troll. Remember them did have them series them before them get real. Everybody do a look of trolling. But you take series to a or you rather Akim. If them forget Rosealee a gun in her hand and say kill your 2 kids them and save Akim, or kill Akim and save your 2 kids them, you kill Bebito and Shantu for Akim. You that take that gun and shoot your 2 pitney them just for stay with Akim. That for show you how bad you're gone. You don't even say make you put up your, not even for fake it, you can't fake it. For put up your pitney them in your back screen, you rather put up Akim. You know what gonna be a karma? Akim. And a Drake's like a be a karma, you know. And a me gonna be a karma, and a Kiki gonna be a karma, all the way where you cuss off. And we are gonna be a karma, you know. You know who are gonna be a karma? Akim. Mr. Saintback, how are you? Akim are gonna be a karma. You see the diss where Akim are gonna diss you and left you. Don't be surprised you hurt and hang yourself. Cause you fool them the way there. And him now if he hurt you in a one way like cuss you off
or even touch you physically. The fact say I'm just now gonna look back on you and nobody can tell me say me I wait for that moment because with fear dirty lifestyle and the how she stay, nobody not really stay around she long. I used to love the energy the way she put in a Akim, what Akim not put in a she, Akim is put in a series for get money. You see, just like how we I use Drakes for clothes, yeah, I use Akim, I use you for get money. What day you all of them stop deal with you and you stop deal with them. Money slow down, them have to draw back for you. Cause at the end of the day, them a earn too. And if me see when me I get a look at earnings, me nah left it, me I stay there to the ground when me walk on. Me not wrong them neither, you know. But your karma gonna be Akim. You always want to cuss people when people tell you the truth, girl. Cause me never dare cuss you with Drakes. The only thing me say is Drakes. And that she don't want nobody to tell Drakes the good. Alright. Me tell Drakes I don't answer Drakes cause that she want for people look down upon you like a bad person. That come like me mash up her plan now, you know. Cause she didn't want Drakes for answer, you know, class her, you know. So she can come out. Guys, catch his speed. She didn't want Drakes for class her, you know. She didn't want, guys, catch his speed. She didn't want Drakes for bring her down, you know. She didn't want Drakes to say the worst thing about her so people can in the comment section can say, yeah, the real Drakes come out now. Or so that people can start talk things about the man. You didn't want the man body bash. You didn't want the man talk about your front. You want the man talk about your body. You want the man to get out them character and class, yo. So yeah, cause people on TikTok easily manipulate. So you did want people for screen record it and post it so them can say you look at millions, them can run in the comment and say, you see how my class the girl, look how I do the in baby mother. You did want people for overthink and for cancel Drake. And that's your work pan. You force it for people cancel the man. When they say you could cancel him what day you run for go friend him. And you say you could get no friend from him. You talk boy you want fuck him. The man never fall for the fuck trap. Now you start class him again, him still not fall feet. And him have good people in the corner where can tell him say, do not fall for the trap where Rosalie while you're going and don't answer. That coming like me mash up your plan there so you'd have to click live for me. And not have to show you see you block me but you still a watch me. Be real guys, we and Drakes now literally just come off our live. How screen recording post that so fast to have so much views and tag Rosalie if she see that the video they go. Should they on the screen and watch on fake page. And you see Drakes and Kiki are playing if she a watch on fake page. And you see me and him a page, she a watch on fake page. She have a fake page I watch. She have a page I watch. Me not say screen recording them not so fast. But so much people for see it so fast, for tag you. And share it to you. You're up on a screen page and you watch the man Kiki clock. You want to know why? Because you want to see how much money man make. You want to see who I give him. As soon as in there for reach #1, there comes you running for come play a match. You could have clicked live for so fast for me without even this year. The man come out on TikTok, the man say him nah this year. You click for your live, you diss the man. The man just say him nah this year. And you diss the man. So through me tell the man say, don't make Rosalie break you out of character. No because fear art black, you for make your art black. She want you to cuss you so people can cancel you and look upon you different. Yes, you can tell for yourself.
The people, the two mates then group up across the ex while a next woman turn the wife.
That story, but as to cussing her, telling about her body parts, don't fall for your trap. That wasn't a bad thing when me tell him. I know me never diss she, you know. Never diss her. Just tell him man say don't fall feet. Hear her over there class me.
Sometimes just want my blood clot money. So I could have bad night if I borrow my things. When I know I have it. When I know I my blood clot food. When I know I live now. When I know I have the bed. To make it make sense. What the fuck just have me bad night in for exactly? The house, them two over here, make it care further. You run for a blood clot book 5 to get one. But fix your house. You're so gonna sleep out there is a croft.
But fair
about blood clot in the house is a thief.
Fair house want fix too.
And house not further, kind of cheer.
Shantu and Bebu to want money and she fly out. She fly out things to Akim.
Blood clot run me look for man to send them to school. One,
she fly out think Akim would have follow back her. I wish she did go on one small island and Akim no look upon you. The whole time you on the trip, you're stressed out. If Akim is there, you would have stressed out. If Akim is there, you would have stressed out. And Akim never show up when you fly out. You're stressed out. You don't got a Panama.
Pan the underpants you want in your life, I'm buy your blood clot them. I'm the first girl, because you know say ends underpants can put on. Suck your mama.
Why is she so upset though? Like, why? Why?
I'm the first girl, because you know say ends.
Why is she so obsessed? Upset. I'm not gonna say obsessed. Why are you so upset? We're not even a cuss Rose now. Drake's not a saint either. Yes, we know. You move on. Cause you like Akim now, so you're not really a look on Drake's no more. We get that. We understand that. We don't care about you and Akim no more if Akim want you want Akim. We don't understand. Cause we know say Akim genuinely just fuck with you as a friend. And me will forever said, Akim is not the person for cuss and bring down nobody. Akim is very kind-hearted person. We understand. You have Akim in your circle. Worse him see on the internet or there, he not gonna live with his string. We understand. We not gonna cuss you about that.